Hi, hello, magandang araw po sa lahat. This is Mechanic Rolly, Motoshop TV. So ayan, bagong lahat mga ka-basic tips, ipasok muna natin ang ating intro na may lagitik pamitik sa puso ninyo. Boom!
Please guys, support to my channel. Please like and share. Thank you.
Here we go again. Welcome sa ating Honda XRM 125Fi latest version 2021 model fully digital panel. For this video, ipapakita ko sa inyo ang specification and information ng ating Honda XRM 125 2021 latest version. So ayan mga ka-basic tips, explain ko lang sa inyo in short ng ating XRM Honda FI 125 na latest 2021 model. Among the most noticeable upgrades are its new headlight and turning lights, which are patterned after the popular Honda CRF 150L. Wider body panels give the new XRM a beefier, more masculine look compared to its predecessor.
Narito po ang ating basic tips na overview. The XRM 125 is an off-road inspired underbone motorcycle manufactured by Honda, powered by a 124.89cc 4-stroke air-cooled
single-cylinder engine that produces 9.54 horsepower and 9.55 Nm of torque. The XRM 125 is available in Mozart, Dual Sport, and Dual Sport Extreme variants with varying levels of off-road accessories. Ito ang ating Honda XRM 125 motard specs and features. The Honda XRM 125 motard is offered gasoline engine in the Philippines. The new map from Honda comes in a total of 1 variants. If we talk about Honda XRM 125 motard engine specs, then the gasoline engine displacement is 125cc. XRM 125 motard is available with manual transmission. The XRM 125 motard is a 2-seater mop and has a length of 1,927mm, the wide of 817mm, and wheelbase of 1,239mm, along with a ground clearance of 144mm. Narito na rin po ang ating mga key specs of Honda XRM 125 motard. Unang-una ay mayroon po siyang front brake, ventilated disc start option, kick and electric start, transmission type manual, maximum power is 9.5 horsepower. Ang ating XRM headlamp is inspired po siya sa CRF headlight and winker, produces improved illumination and visibility. Manager namin sa Muanga 2 Motor Trade kanila. Guys, shout out Ma'am Hani.
Ang kanyang front wheel size is 2.50 to 1743L. Front wheel size na stylish alloy wheels provide comfort, confidence, and improved safety.
Mga basic tips guard na pala. Ito yung maganda sa bago ngayon, latest na XRM 2021 na engine guard na yan ito. Pwede na ma-putol itong sensor, oxygen sensor. Ayan guys, napakita po sa inyo yung side view. Ayan guys, ayan guys, ito yung size ng gulong guys, 2.50 by 17 43L. Ayan guys, pare-parehas yung same size lang sa harap sa kasalikod. Ayan guys,
Stop it. Get some help.
Hear the beating of our hearts. They are calling you to rise from the limits of your world. Oh, with us.
So, magandang araw sa lahat guys. Ka-basic tips. Dito yung bagong XRM na ibang kulay. Yan. Yung latest na XRM. Honda XRM 12505. Yan. Full digital na yan din. Yan guys. Ito yung kulay
Motherfucker.
Life can open many roads. Choose a path that your heart knows. But no matter where we go, together we'll ride for our dreams.
What's wrong with you, bro? What the heck? You tripping, bro? You tripping?
With the power of dreams beating in your heart. One dream, we ride as one. Are we all?
Why are you running? Why are you?
meter. Ayan. So may select button. Yan, grip A. Yan, grip B. So naka-indicate po yung ating gasoline. Yan. So reserve po yan mga ka-basic tips. Kaya reserve yung pag ganyan yung nagka-blink yung bar ng ating gasoline. So yan mga ka-basic tips, ito po yung
Give your meat a good old rub. Yeah, boy, oh, man. Yeah, boy.
please support to my YouTube channel, Mechanic Rolly Basic Tips or Mechanic Rolly Moto Shop TV, ang main channel ko po. So ayan. So ride safe po tayong lahat na ka-basic tips. Yan. So please like, share, and comment down below sa mga may mga katanungan dyan. Comment nyo lang sa baba. Then mga ka-basic tips, huwag kalimutang pindutin ang ating bell icon para sa tuwing nag-upload ako ng mga panibagong video, kayo po'y mauna. And then please support to my channel and like and share mga ka-basic tips. Maraming salamat po.
Ride safe. Bye-bye. Boom.